Micah Edington with the video report on object-oriented software, UML. Object-oriented programming, the analysis overview slide. It had the classes, instance variables, and methods on there. I thought this was really cool because it's a nice structured breakdown, and basically it makes almost physical representation of what we're doing in Java for more visual, high-level code. I really like the slide Y design before coding because it just re-establishes the point that we need to design before we even start coding and really think out the things that we do, which reminds me of like CS125, where rushing through a lot of projects before actually thinking about, okay, here's why I need this. Do I even need this? And then also having to redo projects completely, such as like Battleship, when I could have just did it one or two times, having the nice structure laid out there, and also and then you emphasize collaboration, like with groups such as when we're using GitHub or Bitbucket or something like that, where we can go through there and really correspond well with one another. UML, Unified Modeling Language, very nice. I really like the design of it, and kind of reminds me of database a little bit, but it's the structure of it just really it makes coding nice, and it also looks really cool. Class relationships, the associations, basically it's a little complicated to talk about a lot, but it's a very nice tool to use, and you structure that well in the PowerPoints. I think that's all I'm going to talk about today. That's all I have super thorough knowledge on. I have a general idea of the rest of the slides. And the last thing I could talk about why UML is so useful in the developing environment is just because it's a really thorough, quick, really crisp way of programming, sharing ideas, and structuring the projects that you're going to do, even if they're large-scale projects. Thank you, and we'll see you today in class.